Thobela re a lotša le kgone gona ka nete go swanetše gore re happy Valentine's Day ka baka la gore go sasa ke letšatši la gona ke letšatši la lesomenne mo e leng gore re tla be re keteka letšatši la baratani potso ke gore ke ka lebaka lang re keteka le motho e leng gore o noši ka mo motho wa gage ena o kae le kgone le a re mo tshwara fela ka tša go opela re mo tshwara fela ka tša go ema molara lebelela tša boruti re tsena maratong hai re tsene jang maratong motho a le noši omeka khuno dumela
Manguku baby.
O gabotse.
Ke gabotse, o gabotse wena.
ke gabotse kudu
Ya re la gabotse kudu.
ke kwa lerato
Le nna ke kwa ya go futumetse.
o re mo sepelo le teng mosadi kae o se ke o kae
O teng ke na le.
o gone ka mogare
Ya, no o pelong.
o ka mo pelong
O pelong ya. Le o mpona ke le mongwe o itse gore a no a ke mo. O pelong ke tsabalea
o tsamaye
ena re tsore ke mabakage ke swa mo itse ke ro busy le ene ka di project tsa bo fola mosadi le leng so to the invitation gona le mogotso mo wa gagwe o bula shop ene o molatela in terms of tsa go build up basadi and all that so I'm going to invite a couple of speech nyana because she's launching her first store you know because aba bona gore no it's king a ilo mo supporta wa understand gore tshwanetse ba le mo mare o tlhaletse gore ga a tsholofelo gore e tla nna la bofelo ke lefa then next time o tlatla
ke mo ratela gore o ya go thuša mosadi o mongwe
no
o ileng gore le yena o thuša basadi ba bang
yes
omega nna ke a tseba re ke bolela le wena gantši a se gale mo e leng gore be re bolela moyeng re bolela ka tša go opela le tše dingwe le moletlo e leng gore o tlo ba le bona kae le kgona re mo re swere ke mojolo re swere ke marato re swere ke lenyalo
okay right
dilo tše ke sa rotša ka moka ditlhakane ke nyaka gore wena o mpotse gore ka ga khunou ka ga wena le oskia lerato le le kwešiša jang
well re le kwešiša ka tsela e farologaneng mare e re tlisetsa mo nthweng e le teng you know you can believe so many things ka lerato mare bottom line is that love wins always so love has to be a center you can use other aspects you know gore lerato ke solofela gore tshwantse ke mo ise moving tshwantse ke mo pempare tshwantse ke etse sela ikutlwa itumetse ka nako tsotlhe ke mo apese ke etseng ke shine ka ene ke mo poster ke etseng mar you know the bottom line is that if you will understand gore lerato ke eng you know it is not only about those things what do you do if those things are not there you know cheleta gore mo ise di moving and all these things gore mo pempare and then bo celebrity god forbid omega sa tlaetsa tsona ka tsa mmino sa tla go kena chelete will she still love me will I still love her even when I don't have these things so ara skera le balang gore re ka di etsa tsotlhe tsa marato tse re di etse re mo pempare re bue gore nna ke tsenya spice sa eng leng mara bottom line ke gore ke lerato ke selo se se buileng fo pela moruti ya gore le ge go ka tlala maru go fitla dififo ke tla ntse ke morata so I understand love to be a bottom line a center of everything you know it's like an altar it's like ibitsa yale ke aletara e tshwantse gore tshwantse nneteng mo lelapeng whereby ge dio tse dintse di sa kopane le boela ko yone altara ele be le botsa dipotso le babedi fela le dudumelane gore are we still there what is it that is lacking so I believe that love is something altar that brings the two people together that brought me and Kia together to become one
ke dumela gore ka nnete lerato o bolela nnete ke lona le kopantšeng ngwana le oskia le sepetse ka gare ga maema a boima e fela le lekgono le motho ga le lebeletse sa re wow malobanyana mo ke bone le keteka gore ke re bana gane batho ba ke lenyalo be ba sa shata gane ba tsošološa batho ba ba ipshina ka se modimo ba feeling sona a re lebelele tlhotlho ya gago le oskia motlhomong re boele moragonyana le re botse gore le kopane kae ka baka le re ke nyaka kuša re le kopane kae go fitlhela ge le tlo sokola go hwetša bana go fitlhela ge modimo a tlo re bana ba ka le kwele jalo gona e re ke le phumoleng meogo
so re kopane ko kerekeng ya my father papa ke moruta ke re ko Koster so we grew up together same community so she came to my father's church and then we grew like that not Sunday school teenage young youth so I've been knowing there from those times up until now we are getting now to be you know young adults, if I can say, or late youth, you know. Yeah. So that's when
courtship. Papa
na strict though. So what I did, I had to speak to my sister.
Okay.
And my sister spoke to her aunt.
Okay.
And from there we spoke to my mother because difficult because always very strict. So I believe you know re followile protocol ya ko kerekeng e o itsile the right protocol or how we get dilo, you know. Yeah, but she became difficult because nasa batlo ra nyalo ke ngwana moruti, how she was explaining it. So for a year it's a sokodis and all that, but you know, when you how about something, you know, you mangwele ngwa rapela wa si tshokela, you pursue it. So I can't give up. I continue to pray and then wait and give her space because and then go tseng ga ge nako go ntutile something in life that something's like tsa manyalo tsa marato fa motho nako man space I patle I thole because this thing talks about a lifetime thing. So like I come off a space. Then when she came back, she was ready to give me a response. Then we got married 2018, the 13th of December. So we are 17 years. And then so the relationship and the love, the marriage, we grew together, not to say things nearly right. And by then Omega ne say Omega wa khona no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even no Omega ngwana moruti wa go
kerekeng fela sa itse le gore Gauteng ga to go etsagalang. Bishop Benjamin, the spirit of praise, all these things, they were not there.
Ditla Oskia le gona.
O tla ale teng. And ngile ka mlela ganyala ke re na one day ke tlo na celebrities of gospel. Arai wena o tlola ditoro, you know. But her supporting me, I am what I am today. So I'm saying at times it is a beautiful thing that you build together. And ha ke re batho ba tlhotseng batho ba bana le dilo mo lenyalong ba wrong. Mare I think it takes that boldness and pride nyana ya hore re simolotse dilo re le babedi wa bona, we grew together. Well, there were challenges like you said, growing in marriage re tsane ge to the level whereby ra find out hore actually we are struggling to have children. And then in between that there were miscarriages, you know. Re tsebile mo ntse re le mo lenyalong gore man gona le bothata bona. And then because and rebile into ile a tsoga after second miscarriage ya gore man maybe re consult and check maybe something wrong. And then when we go to doctors, but no, there's nothing wrong. Both of you. Because I get sometimes I have to check. So but then I had to go through doctors. Two of them I went. One trouble like I know I get sure. It go check so once I check up check so at least I believe that piece or both of us. So I supported her in that one. So third miscarriage, then we realized probably this thing now it's an attack, you know, it's a satan.
The doctor
di bone sepe, and then you see it's a halamoro. Of course, that time it was not easy because music wise, I didn't listen to the fats, you know. But I believe so senne modimo re preparela sona gore today re khona nnafa e be re bua ka dilo tsa manyalo, helping other couples, you know, because sometimes re batlo celebrate batho mara ga re itse gore ba tswa kae, you know. And love is a mix of pain and happiness, and it produced something great. So fourth miscarriage, it came as well. It was a beautiful little girl and only 6 months.
Yeah.
Then that's when Kia started saying, Omega, you know. I mean, we keep losing kids here. And then when I was about to be testimony, I'm pontally I need the SMS or blala monago gore kapinage e so ngwana rona wile rilo pepa nyana ne re letsa ka dipeine mara modimo a rona a re fa ngwana ka pina monago. That time rona re lose bana, you know. But I didn't lose that thing because always when I look at her a ke bone motšhino ko nyetse gore o nketsetse bana.
Yeah.
But I loved someone that I love. And I didn't put her to pressure. Bila ga ka mmontsha le sign ya gore ausi e ka re nna ke tla ilo zama other methods to have children. No.
Yeah.
Ke mo supportile ka nna moruti wa gagwe, you know, ka nna leader in her spiritual life to show her that we are in this together. Until God responded 2020 after all those tears, frustration and all that, and God blessed us with our firstborn and Reaboka Kuno.
Wow.
Little bubbly boy, and then he's 5 now after all the struggles, you know. And I believe for Mankuku, you know, like I'm saying, for Mudimo sometimes we should go through all this that you're going through so that for you to become a testimony tomorrow. Not to say Mudimo aorat. Ma go na le batho ba batlo go na le di-couple tsa batlang go di save us 1,000 out there ka podcast ke ntse le wena mo so that ba itse gore if Omega Kuno o fitile mo nna le mosela ke kgone gore lose ngwana wa bobedi bone ba lose 4 gore a re itshokenyana Modimo tla raraba.
Wow, Omega go na le batho ba bantsi ba ba dumelang gore re alla ge dilo di sa tlhakane ka gare ga manyalo a rena ra feletse bile re kgaogana ba bang ba dumela gore re kgaogane ka baka la gore re iphile o iphile Omega wa mo rapella wa mo gopela ko Modimo ra tle bophelong ba gago o dumela gore wena le Oskia le se Modimo a beng a senya ka gore le be sona ka baka la gore le sepetse ka gare ga maemo a mangwe a boima e fela le sa tile le ratong la lena le lenyalong.
Look, lenyalo le tswa ko Modimo and Modimo o tshogofatsa batho ka lerato mara Modimo a ka se le godimong a tlo go tshelela lenyalo lago. You have to work on your marriage, you know, before we don't blame or lenyalo la ga le tswa ko Modimo. Modimo ga go fa the method of how you should live your marriage. O go file lerato. Well, we know gore o itse monna rata mosadi ya gago, mosadi kokobeletse monna gago. We know those principles, they are there. But dio tsa gore o etse lenyalo la gore le bereke so that your wife should not leave you or monna go ska go tlogela. It's here on you. So I will say God gives you a love, install in you love wa le tsenya lerato mo go wena mara go tswa mo go wena gore wena o etsa eng gore lenyalo ba buang sekgowa go dio tsa manyalo ba re spice nyana man etsa dilo go bereke go bona. So now I believe gore nna le ke ya honestly speaking nga se nne mo mankukebe ke gore re the methods this and this and this and this. We gave our love and our trust and to God to say Lord here's our marriage and then rona re tla etsa se re setsa and then se re thusa gore lenyalo le raste. So and so se mperekelang se ka se berekele lenyalo la Mankuku. So find when as a couple gore wena king so ka setsa because ne ke ra another guy ke re ga se dio tsotle tso di tsayang le ge re ile go di marriage seminars o ka tholela gore wena mosadi wa ga ba tle gore o mmulele monyako tla gore ke na le matsogo and go marriage seminar ba re no space ka o mmulela manyako tholela rena ga bate. So at times it's good to attend these things but and wena thola gore mo lenyalo lago ke eng se tla go berekelang se sang gore mosadi wa ga nne happy le wena o nna happy and if you have found it work on it, build it and a little metsi so se gole and make it work tomorrow. So and I believe really how we are making our marriage today gore be re celebrate the 17th anniversary last year. I think it's because we have found those things, we are working on them and it's working for us and we believe that God will keep us together for the next coming 17 years as well.
Ne ta go be jalo ke nagana re ntho fetsang go bolela motheo wa lenyalo la lena le lerato la lena ge nka re dimo go Modimo ke tla be ke bolela maka
dimo Modimo khaitsedi aka. You know God is a center of he's a creator of marriage and he's the giver of love within marriage and again a go fang strength sa gore o rate mosadi ya kapa o rate monnago. So it's center is God. So I believe that even when things are going wrong, before we go anywhere, we go to him and say go no kopantshitseng ke so sa go se. So gona le bothata bo bole so what are you saying? And I believe
Omega ke dumela gore gona o dula le batho ka mogonna lona re dutseng ka gona o ba tlhatlhe ba ile gore ba ya go tsena ka lenyalong le ba ile gore ba ka rega lenyalo bana le mathata ona na re ke mathata mo huta manga mantšhe ile gore batho ba ba lona ga ba le lenyalo.
Well, I'm realizing and I know gore ntse ke tlo itseng ya itsegale go ntle ka thata ba lenyalo ne mara ina le it tibile this thing. Communication in marriage. You know, communication. I think not communication omega fela le chalete le tsa ko kamoreng and all that. Yes, they are there, but not for me. I think what I've learned through experience in my marriage, communication. You know, if men or lebo method ga ba sa khone go communicate gone do tse tletsa galang and why ke re o mo tla re chelete. Yes, ge gona le bothata ba chelete monna ska didimala a bue a communicate le ke ya gore man go thata ke ya might say something says to fang omega courage gore I can still go for another day. Mara ga ke didimala, this thing affects me. And I have it affected because I kgone bua ke keditse steering ba re monna galle it tlo affecta le ke and from there ga tswa mo ke ya affecta lenyalo itself because now le tsere dio tse la di bottle la le kgone bua or wena wa go botsa gore kante wa mega bothata ke yang o moody what wena o tsere so sala gore ke monna na ba tlo bua. So that thing kills marriage. So communicate. Even when money is there, communicate to say money is there, my wife, what can we do? How did the man tla bona wetsa dilo ba re ga a ba are ga o me involve and so seo se affecta lenyalo ga gore wena o ikeditse super ga gona le chelete ga o mpolele eng. So that's what I'm saying. Communication is the center of everything, and a lot of marriage relationships are affected because of communication. It's very important.
Okay. Ba bang ba go lebeletse gona bele ba bang ba go theleditse a ba bolele. Ba fetsa go latlhegelwa ke bana. O mongwe bile o sola o mongwe wena o fetsa go fa motlhala gore bo re o ske ya ai ya kwa le wena o ya gore a re ska ba ka mosola wa khumana mafelong ba ka reng wena a ona bothata ke nang le bothata o bo ye maema le thegana ka mokagalena batho ba shiba ba theleditse gona jalo ba nya go tlhalana ka baka la go tlhoka ngwana nko bolele le bona ba kwishisha gore go diragalang.
Well, number one, lenyalo ga sela one ke la batho ba babedi. And so before o senya so se sentle se modimo le se feeling wena o ichekile na. Have you worked on yourself, especially as a husband? Because ntse go ya mme a checka dilo, a checka popelo, a checka di fibroids, you know, the cyst, the chupu and all that. Wena o checkile mo wena. So before o ka give up mo yene, o bo give up ale mo lenyalong la senya so se sentle, go check first. And from there, come and sit together and say, Marianne, ka gonne option e padile. What are other options tse ka diang? Go na le options tse ding wena mankoko out ga o sa kgone na le bana ba ileng ba gago ge modimo a sa go araba la ka nka re bile le ke tsa mo lo checkang lona gore ke di options tse feng gape ge se le lekile le tlhobogile tsa go etsa ngwana wa madi, you know. So what are other options that I can do? Because all these things always re zama gape go di tlisa gore le save marriage wa lona. Unless let's about to save the marriage, but I believe that all of us we want to save the marriage. So hona mood sa buisane and then le supana ka menwana, it won't even help. Lotena le tlhalane o monga tsule so or o monga tsule ile tsa bana ko ntle, because now there's no ga le kopane ga le pushane 50-50. And then I will say number 2, be careful of rough words, you know, mantswe a tlo tlhabang motho mong, because at times o ka thola gore se nne se tla tsagala mo popelong ya mmeo modimo na tla etsa magic a etse mohlolo wa gagwe miracle, mara wena o le monna o bola selo se nne se tlo gola ka mafoko a gago, because we are human and mind le pelo di bolaya botho ba motho, you know. So be careful of those words, because they can also destroy even the journey. So now I will say, don't give up. Trust in God. Go do checkups. Go look for options. And then tomorrow, man, there has to be something. Well, that's what I'm saying, Kirmangoko. You know what? Modimo or alawa gore mo dilo so that tomorrow when you start to testify, we will save others. And modimo gore why now and then why not then? So gona le bao ba ne le gore modimo na ba berekisitse dinako ntse ba ditse tiro wa bona. So now this generation modimo raise rona bomega to experience the miscarriages and the breaks in our life, to say doctor straight or omega for the next month, don't touch your wife.
Eish.
Because ready thing. Then imagine only a celebrity boy, celebrated by ladies out there. It's temptation. You want to go out there and come out. Miscarriage, doctor, don't sleep with your wife for the next month. So they push a lemon sometimes to say, you know what, hey, why can say so. But I want to say to that father, that man right now listening, for every person in life, there's a testing period.
Yeah.
And this time, when what you are going through, ke testing moment. And if you are morata,
Okay.
and that will answer your question why you should wait for her. And the doctor, and you will say, okay, let's see and try again. It's a testing moment.
Wow. What's making a carabele ka matla a go tseba gore mosadi wa gago ba monna wa gago o nyaka eng ka leratong file motlhala go bo bolela gore khumana ba rile o bulele mosadi wa gago lebati mosadi wa anya ke tsona tšeo ba rile o rekele mosadi wa gago matšopa a se motho wa matšopa mo ishe mabenkeleng a reke diaparo a anya ke diaparo o inyakela tšhelete go tlhoko ba go tseba motho wa gago ka gare ga lenyalo
Mparanyana nka nako go motse you know, so and ska mo fellwa ke pelo.
Okay.
And do tso ge di etsagala sometimes mankoko baby is because monna lena wa ba a lebeletse couple e nngwe. Ba na le pressure gore mara mama Thabo man o etsa so le ko mosading wa go mosadi go tlaba mo jumpela rekile malomo mara se salang ke gore mosadi a ga se mosadi a Thabo. Yeah, and then essentially o lo kopane le ene o mo propose it and she's still the same. So o ska batla go mo change because o bona couple e nngwe etsa so. She's still the same person. And o no mo isa kae for the first if o na o batla mo change and twelling. And sometimes marriage as well talks about compromise. We can compromise and do other things. But if it is not in my character and in my way, what's can pressurize because when I couple same name, but so take time to know me and to understand gore ke nna mang ke batlang ga ke rateng and at the and that as well it should not because sometimes o ga ipotsa gore so sa malomo ga sa bereke le so go nkisa ko moving sa bereke mar lenyalo le bereka what is it that I want?
Wow.
You know, so if my marriage is working with what we are doing and then you were trying to do some extra things to spice up and they are not working, oskan jaja ka go di reject. As long as my marriage, me and you, is working, then it's fine. And I believe as we compromise, as we go and we understand, we build this as a team. One day, what I was surprised I'm starting to be easy. Mara easy how do you drive this vehicle? As a husband, you are a driver of the family. So check how you change the gears, check the speed. Because sometimes you will rush and you will crash because o jagile le lenyalo la koloi engwe ya Thabo and o tlo thula mabota
ba bang ba fetsa go tlhalana ba bang bo tlhalana go sasa king so ka ba botsang sona ka baka la gore batho ba lebeletse gore ko ja Valentine ke leti gore go ide ka moka ke tlabe ke fetsa motho wa ka o la ke jileng di Valentine tse dintšhi le ena a ntlogetsa ile go mankoko.
The bottom line and the truth of the matter ke gore mankoko mo nakong e re phela mo yona di change whether we like it or not. And at times I wouldn't sit here and advise motho sa feditse le pelo ga gore nna because ba tlo tlhalebe ke morara no Bible e re so sa mo fast or rapele wetseng God is against divorce. Yes, those things are there, we know. We talk to people, we telling them about that, but if it doesn't work gare ba tlo re ka osane ebe re ile poloka motho a tlhokafetse ka osane ebe gote nona o utlweletse omega a rile a nne mo lenyalong. You see, so we are living in an era whereby we should be careful. Whether you are a believer or not, you should look at the situation and the rest the advices we will give and then it takes a person to decide. Space decided do you want to stay or not? Because now the GBV level it's so high but ba thunyiwa motho thunya bo le family because wena moretsi wena es moruti nna bibele ya ronne and then mara ha tse dilo di lla bosigo mo dithunya di lla moruti gae. So it advisable gore say what you want to say, but let somebody decide. And ba ba leng gore ba batlo tlhalana le value the options because sometimes o batlo tlhala fela because o batlo tlhala wena you want to go on with life, but check gore go tlhala go go tle fela go tla le di consequences. Go na le dilo tse di tletsang di consequences di teng ba bang go na le bana di it will create a mo baneng wena. Are you ready for that thing now? Because divorce is dangerous, it can take you to the grave ka di hard conditions so tlelwa ke malwetse le gore na le khakala le wena. So check, are you ready for this? So ga ba tlo tlhala fela, and then do you really want to see this beautiful ship sinking, or you want to fight for it? There's still an opportunity to fight for it. We can still fix this if possible. And then if sense go na le pelo ya gore re baakanye, allow that space to happen, because sometimes re hlala ba bang ba hlala fela because of pride. Pride ke batlo hlala because ke batlo go bontsha nna gore ke tla bilo ka se loke, but you know go nna stubborn at times go tla re thusa because we're not all long after that. Check and finalize and see first gore no I've tried everything. Question ke gore, did you try everything to save it? Or you just
wa tsba go bolelela go fa motho tshepo ya gore le retele sa le gona ka montle ka mo.
It is true.
Ke gopela molaetsa wa gago wa lerato kgoding ya lerato o romele Oskia.
No. Yo. Baby, I don't know how many Valentine's days we have celebrated now, but I want to tell you that my mind, it doesn't even want to count Valentine as we're celebrating love. All I can tell you is that you are my love, you know, and then as you are my love, that means I can celebrate you whether it's Valentine's Day or not. And then I bless God for you to be part of me. And I know I've prayed for Omega to become what he is today, but all these things, so I want to appreciate you to be there for me. You have taught me a lot of things. You have prayed for me. You stood there. You are a supporter. Thank you for loving me. Even in my mistake, even in my weaknesses, you came, you loved me, and you brought me, you gave me a blessed gift, which is Rehoboth. After all these tears, you came there for me. And moreover, thank you for being my supporting structure. And I love you with all my heart. It will never stop.
Wow. Modimo Rehoboth. A re feletse ka diputshonyana tsa ka pelanyana tšileng gore nyaka o di arabo sa nagane selo. Quick quiz.
Okay.
Ka ga khunong ke mangwe gore te diaparo ke ya go ba Omega.
Omega.
Bogobe go ba rice.
Rice.
Flight go ba koloi.
Flight.
Okay. Music go ba movie.
Okay. I love both. Yo, Jesus Christ. But I will say movie.
Okay.
Yeah.
Radio or TV?
TV.
Okay. Omega, ke a leboga. Ke ipsine go bona wena go tsamaya ke le Mangoko baby. Ya o ipsine ke lerato le Oskia. Re tshabela tse modimo le direlang tsona tswele pele go lokeletsa kere.
Thank you for your time.
Re go lebogile.
Ke lebogile.
Ke mogolong re tswa ka gona go tsabaya ke le Mangoko baby le tšatši la le khono go sasa ke le tšatši la le 14 re tla bere ke teka le tšatši la baratane go di ka moka ga botse ngwaga ka moka o se ka no kgetha le tšatši le le tefela nna ke Mangoko baby tsele tšhotshagole lerato la gago di ntira se ke leng sona go tlhela re kopana la botlhanong le letlang tata.